Hi guys, how you doing? Mark here at Nvrenuf Nutrition. Do you want to increase your anandamide production? Come on, simple question. No, of course you don't know, because you don't know what anandamide is, and that's exactly what I'm going to talk about. I would suggest yes would be your answer. And the reason I would suggest yes would be your answer is because anandamide production is increased by taking CBD. And a good quality CBD, not any CBD. 70% of labels in the CBD marketplace from a recent study, I think they bought 84 different products from different companies, so 84 different products, 70% were blood rubbish, were incomplete, they were not real labels, they were lying. They were informed wrongly, you were being informed wrongly. So only 30% of labels out of 84 companies were actually labeled correctly. Now, I am an anorak, I do things properly, labeled correctly. You get 1,000 milligrams in there. It's a nice little blend of organically grown hemp CBD combined with CBD from the cannabis plant. No THC involved, and it's blended together and put in an MCT, a medium chain triglyceride blend for maximum absorption. That is one of those 30% properly labeled products. So it is one of the purest products around from a CBD point of view. This is like supercharged CBD. And we've come here and brought it out on the Nvrenuf range to enhance recovery. Lots more sports companies will start to do this. All I will ask is just try and make sure you're dealing with a reputable one, because not all of them are, unfortunately, and make sure you're getting the real deal. So I'd always look for the GMP certified mark, and that means you know you're dealing with a factory that's got good manufacturing procedures, and they are checked regularly for the quality of what they produce. So that is good. But back down to the anandamide situation. What does it do? Anandamide, I believe, means bliss in one of these Latin languages or whatever. Anandamide chills us out. Anandamide, if we've got it in our body, makes us relaxed, not sleepy relaxed, just chilled relaxed. And so things like cortisol and stress hormones and things like that aren't being released. We're not over anxious. We're not stressing. We're not in a low mood. Everything's cool. We're firing. Why would that help with someone who does sport? Well, most people I know, and I've known for working in the industry for the last 30 years, go to the track, go to the gym, go to the boxing ring, go to training, let's say, and beat themselves up. Literally, physically smash themselves to bits. The training intensities are incredible. People are more switched onto diet now. People are a lot more serious about supplements now. Our athletes are getting better and better and better. And what used to be weekend warriors, people who go 3 or 4 times in a week, are becoming really amazing athletes. I deal with them day in and day out. Forget the professional athletes now. These guys are not far behind. And there's some fantastic athletes out there. So what often can hinder progression in terms of losing body weight, retaining muscle and repairing muscle, are stress responses that we release when we are under stress. Sport training is a physical stress on the body. We need to allow the body to chill out. It's important. One of the biggest situations I had over the past probably 15 years, I work with a lot of top athletes, professional athletes, from powerlifters, world champion powerlifters, European champion powerlifters, British powerlifters, bodybuilders, British champion bodybuilders, to rugby players, you name it, world champion wakeboarders. One of the problems I had, one of the biggest problems I had was with one guy, not mention his name, amazing boxer, fantastic work ethic. He would never have a day off. And I was brought in to do his diet and supplement routine. And I said to this guy, look, you've got to have a day off. We've got to compromise. You're killing your body. I can get your nutrition bang on, but you need to rest. It's important. Your cortisol levels will be through the roof. You'll be hitting a plateau. It's a false economy to do this. And he agreed to do it, and his performance went off the chart because he introduced rest days. So take time out, make sure we're not going into work with anxiety and loads of different things on our mind. You want to be focused. Exactly what CBD, good quality CBD does. So it increases GABA, it increases serotonin, it activates something called adenosine receptors in the body. We are really functioning mentally and physically. So we're actually increasing our ability to relax, to de-stress, to sleep, to stop anti-catabolic agents like cortisol being released. So these things are just going to eat away at your muscle. You're not going to fully recover and repair for your next exercise. So this is certainly something to consider in your recovery and recuperation from a hard training session. And I would tend to take this actually on an evening. If you're training morning, whatever, take it on an evening before bed, for about an hour before bed. Take 3 drops of that. You'll sleep amazing. You'll release more insulin growth factor, growth hormone, really cool repairing sort of nutrients and actives in the body or chemicals. So definitely it's becoming a lot more popular in sport now for these reasons. You do get some, I always have a quick look through YouTube sometimes, and what you'll find is this is an anabolic agent. This one will just make your muscles so big and powerful. Nah, it doesn't work like that. If we have SARMs for that sort of thing, it does, or secretagogues and all the other stuff, PPAR antagonists. This works on chill, Winston. Let's get on it. Let's repair. Let's get our bodies into maybe a deeper sleep. This REM sort of sleep. We get a better night's sleep. We repair in the night. We're ready for the next session. Bring it on. We train harder. We repair. You train harder. We repair. We train harder. And that's the way to progression. So, we've got the rugby season upon us soon. Hopefully, fingers crossed, the gyms are reopening, cricket's back on, football's back on. So all the other sports are starting to come in, and hopefully, if there isn't a second spike, we're ready to rock. Guys, get ready for it. If you need to repair, recover, and let's face it, this whole gym closure thing's caused anxiety with loads of people. A lot of my customers have been climbing the walls. And a lot of my customers like me put on a load of body fat. It's horrible. So